Hi, I'm Danny Cohen. I'm the General Manager at Henderson Sons Construction, and this is our warehouse. This is where your dreams begin.
Hi, I'm Mike Kiefer. I'm the Production Manager here at Henderson Sons, and we really appreciate you joining our family. We know you'll love it when you see how your product is done. We offer a wide range of services. We do everything from roofing, windows, landscape, hardscape. It's very important to the homeowner also to know that when we build for you, we build your dream, and we do it all.
I'm Frank from Costa Mesa, and this is my beautiful new backyard. You know, my wife and I had been thinking about this project for years when a friend recommended us to Henderson Sons. I gotta tell you folks, from the very first meeting, we knew we were dealing with professionals. They created this 3D design image before we even got started, showing us our backyard, which gave us a real peace of mind and a nice visual.
I'm from Irvine, California, and I found Henderson Sons on Yelp. They had an amazing reviews, and today I understand why.
Hello, my name is Ben. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I had the good fortune of having a dear friend of us recommend Henderson Sons. They were honest, reliable, trustworthy, professional. We could count on them. They came and did a wonderful job. They cleaned up the mess that the other contractors left. We couldn't be more pleased. Henderson Sons, we can use our bathroom again, thanks to you.
Hi, my name is Natalie Levy. I'm the Customer Service Manager here at Henderson Sons. Every new customer we earn, I make sure to give them a call and let them know that I'm here for them. My team and I know everything there is to know about the project, from the customer's vision to the little details of the project, so we can give them 100% customer satisfaction.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give them a 10. In fact, I'm so happy with them, I'm going to do my front yard as well.
I never imagined to have a kitchen like this.
Henderson Sons, thank you so much. You did a wonderful job. Highly recommended.
Come and join our family.